How to turn off sync data, find your friends on Discord. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start it. Go first and you open Discord. After this guys, when you open Discord, you will just go down and open your profile right here and then go to privacy and safety, and then you just go down to sync data in find your friends. So if you found it like turning on, you will just turn off by change it to like this. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.